It's a perfect situation.
Meal for one. Lurch is away for the weekend, so there's just me to feed. And so I'm having a garden produce meal. Simple, easy from this. So now I'm going to just slice up this tomato into about 1/4 inch pieces, that type of thing. You can cut it into little bits if you want, but I think I'm going to have them whole. Chicken treats tomorrow, and I'm going to cut up and wash and then cut up the onion. Some olive oil in it, and that'll help stop anything sticking. Turn it on. Oh, cooker's plain funny. It's better. Sometimes this cooker just does not want to light, but that's the olive oil and some butter in to give it a bit of flavour. So it's beginning to heat up, and melt the butter now. The pan I've got hot now, so let's lower that and put in tomato slices. If you don't have the beef or the steak tomatoes that I've got, any tomatoes that you like will do. And just let them stay there for a bit. And because it's got the end to it, I'm going to give all of this to the chickens as a treat. So I'm now going to I'm adding the onion that I've cut up fairly small. You can use salad onions, spring onions. I haven't got any at the moment, so I'm not having any. But we'll leave it there for a few minutes. I'm just going to try and turn these tomatoes over now. They're softened but not yet browned, but I'm hungry, so it doesn't matter. Here I have those eggs, and I've added a touch of salt and pepper to them. Just tip a little bit over the tomatoes. Apologise, Mason's seen a bird and he chases birds. And I know this isn't from the garden, but I just fancy a bit of cheese on it. and I think cheese and tomatoes do well. This doesn't have a lid to it, but one of my larger pans lids fit that. So I've turned it down to a low, and I'm going to let that now steam cook the top of the egg, and I'll just leave it there for a few minutes. I don't know if the camera would pick this up, but how it started to puff up the eggs up. Now they've gone back down again, so I'll leave it a little bit longer to make sure that the centre of the egg is cooked. Just check to see how cooked it is on the bottom. Maybe do it a little bit longer. So I'm going to leave the lid off this time and leave it a bit longer. Give it another couple of minutes. Yep, that should be done now, but it is falling apart a bit. I think it's this time the tomato. Oh, it'll all taste nicer. And there we have it. It's my garden omelette. Thank you. Bye.
It's a